This is a scar from the facelift. It's already more than 5 years, and today our aim is to repair the scar. So we're going to fill up here to the sideburn. The scar is slightly longer. It's about 6.5 cm. The length is 3 cm. The width is about 1.5. Sideburn length is about 3. Completed on the right side of the facelift scar. This is immediately after extraction. You can see the donor area. There's no bleeding, there's no mouth swelling, and it's already started to heal.